like to say, oh, I knew when Audrey. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted in like a month, and I told you guys I was gonna be more consistent, but it's been a lot. We've been trying to move, or rather, we are trying to move. So it's been a whole lot, stress, and then I felt ill. I think by the end of February-ish, beginning of March, because this is like the end of March now. I know, you guys, I am so sorry, but I felt ill. When I got better, I had to do other things. And as you guys know, if you watch my previous video, I talked about my nanny and my cook. They both stole from me, so I still have PTSD from trying to get like from the previous experience. Sorry. So getting a new nanny now is still, I don't know, 50-50 in my head. So I have to do a lot of things together. And a new mom, I'm still trying to adjust to everything. Anyway, let me not bore you guys. This is a whole different, kind of vlog, I guess. So today I'll be showing you guys what I use for my day skincare routine, my morning skincare routine. By the way, guys, I have a flu. I've been stuck on Strepsils for like 2 days now. There's definitely something in the air, right? There is. Anyway, you guys, so as you can see, my face is washed already. You guys, it's not easy setting up and doing everything. Do you know I've been trying to set up this camera for like 30 minutes now? Anyway, and I'm not exaggerating, I promise you. Trying to set up, trying to clear the room. Like, my baby now is with her dad. I had to send him out of the room to go downstairs to the parlor and just get the space to myself. So anyway, skincare, let's get into it. As you can see, the skin is skinning, babies. Anyway, I already washed my face and I used it's a bit broken, so I can't. Anyway, I used the CeraVe. That's what I used to wash my face. Keep it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Tia Vitamin Toner. Please do not blame me, okay? I'm, like I said, stressed, so yeah. It's almost finished. I have another one there though. I never let my product finish before restocking up. How do you guys do yours? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, so just I like to use my cotton pad. A lot of people just spray on their palms and then apply to their face, but I would rather not. So I don't have a mirror with me, so right now we're on vibes and inshallah. Let me use my second phone. Okay, so I'm cleaning my face. I'm applying my toner rather. My face is already cleansed because I used my CeraVe. You guys, please ignore my lashes. My lashes are crying for help. But my lash tech, I don't know if she's upset with me, but so anyway, I don't know if you guys just do this, but when I use my toner, I apply it to my neck. I apply it to my ears, back of my ears. Same way, just like when you shower or when you use your cleanser. So we're done. All done. I don't know if I'm screaming, you guys. I hope I'm not. I'm not with my mic, so I have to talk, be audible as much as possible. So, you guys, I let my face, dry a bit. I don't let it dry up too much though. Then I apply my advanced snail mucin. I hope you guys can see it though. So because I have nails on, I just tend to use my phone again. You guys, please, it is not so easy to do your skincare when you're on frontal, especially when you know you're trying to keep your hair intact. So I did a poll on IG and I asked you guys to vote, but I think the week in my life as a mom had the highest vote, so that's gonna be my next video, you guys. But skincare girlies and boys, get into it. So this is done. Then I go in with my sunscreen. I hope you guys can see this because I'm literally on the last thing, sunscreen. Let me breathe now. It's not even up to 10 minutes. Ruin my video. 10 minutes, please, babe. I'll be done. So you guys, it's been like a minute. I'm going with my sunscreen. This is the Aqua Misha sunscreen. I've been using this sunscreen for like 2 years, I guess, or more. So I always put on 2 fingers. Some people put on 3. I really don't know about that, guys. I'm just giving you mine. And just so you know, you guys, I'm not a professional. This is, I think if you have oily skin, oily or combination skin, you could try this skincare routine because I have oily skin and this has been my routine for years. You guys, blending your sunscreen is so, I don't know if I should say stressful, but you have to blend and blend. But I like this because it doesn't even take me more than 30 seconds, a minute to be done. It's all done. My sunscreen is on my face, well blended, I hope. So I always use my lip balm when I'm done. I like to use lip balm, lip gloss, Sometimes I use my lip balm, then I use my gloss on it. So let's go. I don't know why we have to make our lips funny when while applying gloss. How do I look? I hope I'm not too close to the camera, you guys. Like, I'm filming with my back camera. Usually I will film with my front camera, but I'm filming with my back camera today. So I don't know. Fingers crossed. I hope I don't have to film this again. But I look good, don't I? So anyway, bonus, guys, before I go, I'm going to show you guys just some supplements I take, because everything doesn't just involve around your skincare. You also have to, take supplements, take fruits, change your sheets, guys. Your sheets, your pillowcases, change them. If possible, change twice a week, twice a week, once a week at least. Your towels, please have a different face towel from your body towel, okay? If that's like, it's not even if that's possible, that's the right thing to do. That's the best thing to do. Just have a different towel for your face and a different from your body, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what I take. I take this supplement, Oli, and I take Neocell collagen. Guys, we're finally done. This is the final look. I look good, right? I look good. Anyway, you guys, if you want to see my nighttime routine, comment below. If you want to see my body routine, comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this is the first time filming anything like this in my life. I haven't done it for TikTok, Instagram, nothing. So I hope you guys really like the video, and don't forget, your like, comments means a lot. Subscribe if you haven't. You're welcome here. We're a family, a growing family. So wouldn't you like to say, oh, I knew when Audrey was starting, I was part of her 200 followers, I was part of her 300 followers. I know you want that. So please follow. Love you guys so much. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. If you have any other video you want to see, comment below. If you don't drop your comments, I wouldn't know what you want, girl. I wouldn't know what you want, boy. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much.